Welcome once again to Limon's Kitchen. Do you know we have some people who are not lover of gobe but rather bean stew? Yes, this video is for you. If you don't like gobe but you like bean stew, this video is for you. So guys, today we are going to prepare bean stew. So I have melted my palm oil. You can also use vegetable oil, but this is my palm oil I've melted. So I'm adding my sliced onions. So I'm going to fry these sliced onions until it become a little bit soft. Then I'll add my sliced pepper, because I want to make this stew very fast, simple and easy. So I'm not going to grind or blend anything. I'm just going to slice my ingredient very faster. So I've added my sliced pepper. So I'm using 3 pepper, because with bean stew, if there is no pepper, trust me, you're going to vomit. So you need to add pepper. Like the pepper need to be okay, but not that much. If you like pepper, I don't like pepper, but my pepper was accurate. So this is the tomato I bought. Normally I was thinking this is the chopped tomato in can, but I realized that this is another tomato. So I decided to mash the tomato in the stew. Sorry about that, I needed to mash it behind, but I was thinking it's the tomato I normally buy, but this one was a little bit different. So I added in my chopped tomato. Let me use chopped tomatoes. So I'm going to fry this until the water is dried up. Then I'll add ingredients of season of my choice. So I'm going to fry all these ingredients until the water dries up. Please pardon me for my voiceover, because I'm having some catarrh and it's not easy for me stressing myself with the voiceover. So the water has been dried up, so I'm going to add season of my choice. I'm going to add garlic powder, nutmeg, black pepper, little curry powder, season of your choice, the season that you like. I'll add my shrimp Maggi cube. It also make it taste nice. So with the shrimp Maggi cube I'm not going to add salt to the stew. I'm not going to add salt because already I cooked the beans with salt, and this shrimp powder also contains salt. So I'm not going to add any pinch of salt to my stew, because already these 2 ingredients have salt already. But if you like more salt, because I don't like more salt, if you like more salt, you can add extra salt to it. So I'm going to fry them, then add my meat. Even though we are cooking protein, but at least you have to get something to garnish it. Yes, so I decided to use my sardine. I want to garnish with my sardine, and this sardine tastes very nice. So this is the sardine. So I'll go ahead and use my leftover beans. This beans is leftover. The beans I used in preparing the previous gobe video. I got to know that I was so okay with the gobe, so I need to transform to another recipe. So I use this leftover beans for my stew. So this is how I prepare my bean stew. So you are going to stir it and keep adding it when it's okay, because the beans was mashed. So after adding your beans, you need to stir it and leave it for about 3, because already the beans is cooked. Leave it for 3 minutes to cook. Then your bean stew is ready. You can serve this bean stew with yam, with rice, with ripe plantain, with every kind, with banku. You can even serve this bean stew with banku, everything. So this is how I prepare my bean stew. Thank you guys for watching to an end. God bless you. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to leave comments in the comment section for me, okay? Kiss kiss. Mwah.